Today, we're diving into the AWY WG04A00766 WR49X10283 Invertor Board Kit with Jumpers for GE Refrigerator. Now, this may sound like a mouthful, but bear with me because this little kit packs a punch. First off, let's talk about the design. It's compact, which means it won't take up much space in your fridge, leaving more room for your groceries. Plus, the solid pattern gives it a sleek look that'll blend seamlessly with your refrigerator's interior. But what really matters is how it performs, right? Well, I'm happy to report that this kit delivers on that front too. Thanks to its compressor cooling method, it keeps your fridge running efficiently, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. And let's not forget about the included jumpers, which make installation a breeze. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the brand. AWY might not be as well known as some other names in the appliance industry, but don't let that deter you. This kit is proof that sometimes, lesser-known brands can offer top-notch quality at a fraction of the price. In conclusion, if you're looking to optimize the performance of your GE refrigerator, the AWY WG04A00766 WR49X10283 Invertor Board Kit with Jumpers is definitely worth considering. Its compact design, efficient cooling method, and hassle-free installation make it a must-have for any household. So why wait? Upgrade your fridge today and experience the difference for yourself. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.